Before you spend all your money this Christmas, I need you to purse. The best time to buy some of the strongest Nigerian stocks is coming in few weeks, late December and early January. So don't miss it. Yes, it is Christmas season, a beautiful time to celebrate, a time to give, a time to enjoy with your loved ones. But it is also the season where many Nigerians overspend and enter January completely dry. You're welcome to Money Mindset with Ima, where we teach you that money has a mindset. And if today is your first time here, I am Immaculata, certified financial advisor with over 7 years of experience helping people build financial freedom. Do me a favor by pressing the subscribe button and also turn your bell notification so you don't miss out on our December series. Thank you for doing that. So today I want to show you a smarter way. Enjoy Christmas, but keep small money aside because late December and early January is one of the best times to enter the Nigerian stock market. Let me explain why. Christmas season is sweet, but January is 31 days long. This period we have a lot of parties everywhere, wedding, gifting, rice, travel, matching PJs, everything wants to collect your money. You see all these things and you see a lot of discounts, a lot of sales, a lot of Black Fridays. But remember, January is 31 days long and bills don't care whether you celebrated Christmas or not. So wisdom demands balance. Enjoy, give, celebrate, but also prepare financially for the new year. Yes, prepare financially for the new year. Why you must keep money aside now for stocks? You need to do this because, yes, many people don't even know this, that the Nigerian stock market usually gives very good entry prices around late December. Why? Because people cash out for Christmas. People sell off their stocks to travel. Portfolios are being rebalanced. Then there is low buying pressure. When people sell more than they buy, what naturally happens is that prices will drop. But you see that drop? That drop is your real opportunity. Yes, that drop is your real opportunity and you need to position yourself to take advantage of it. Then let's look at the January effect. The January effect is very powerful in Nigeria. Early January is historically one of the strongest period for the NGX. Institutions start buying again, new year investment goals begin, fresh market optimism will enter. In 2024 and 2025, the NGX opened the year with strong gains and smart investors who positioned themselves in December made huge profits. Yes, they cashed out. So here is the strategy I want you to use this Christmas. Instead of spending everything this season, do this. Keep a small stock investment envelope. In that envelope, you can put 20,000 naira, 50,000 naira, or 100,000 naira, depending on your capacity. Any amount, you can put 200, 500, whatever. Enjoy Christmas with wisdom. Buy only what you can recover by January. Then, late December into early January, you have to position yourself and buy strong dividend paying stocks. Stocks with good fundamentals. Then stocks temporarily cheap because of the holiday sell-offs. You see, you need to do this so that you can take advantage of what I am mentioning. This small discipline can set you up for 2026 wealth. Then I'm going to give you stocks you should watch. This is not financial advice, this is guidance. You need to look out for dividend stocks because dividend season is around the corner. So look out for dividend stocks. Then look out for blue chip stocks with good performance. Then also look out for stocks discounted because of holiday sell down. There are stocks that are discounted not because they are good. So you have to look out for all this to get the right one. We will talk about specific stocks or let's say penny stocks in another video that you should watch out for in 2026. My message is simple. Christmas is sweet, but financial wisdom is sweeter. Don't finish everything on enjoyment. Keep money aside to position yourself for late December and early January opportunities in the Nigerian stock market. This small sacrifice could make your 2026 look completely different. Yes, it could make your 2026 look completely different. So if you want me to drop a full video on the penny stocks to look out for by January 2026, comment January penny stocks below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your friends. Share this Christmas financial wisdom with someone who needs it. And I need you to remember this, never you forget it. Money has a mindset. Think smart, act wisely, and grow your wealth always. Thank you.